Hi, welcome. I'm still on LXQt and I've changed a little bit again back to normal. If you've watched the previous video, we had a left panel here and a right panel there, and I've just deleted everything and put everything back up here. We've changed a few things already in design wise, and now I'm going to talk about this button, desktop preferences. Our system, LXQt, has a file manager, right? And the desktop preferences are part of the file manager. So let's see, when I type file, oops, that's capital, caps lock is on. We have a PC-man-fm Qt file manager. So that's the one that we're using, Super Shift Enter. Let's have a look at this one. That's TuneR. We like TuneR, and why do we like TuneR? Because we have a lot of configured things in here that nobody else has, right? We can set our conkeys in that way if we run, of course, a TuneR. So this is not TuneR. This is something else. This is PC-man-fm Qt from Hong Ying Yi, right? And the way this works, well, you can have a look at the settings and so on, but let's focus on this one, on this desktop preferences. The desktop is in this point in my system set with a wallpaper selector that I've just chosen something red in here, and that's fine, right? So click, close, done. It's set. And at this point in time, it seems it's called Haliotis or something, right? So I'm gonna close this one. Don't want to change it. I like this color. I like it, right? Okay. But you can set more, like zoom the image to fill the entire screen. That's what I selected, which I think might be best choice, but hey, you choose. Where is this particular application? You navigate to your wallpaper, right? Select background wallpaper if you want to. Icon size, desktop preferences, remember? So icon size, you can add icons to your desktop preferences, create new folder. Okay, new folder. Okay, so we have an icon at this point in time. Can we make it smaller, bigger? Apply. Yep, it's gonna be bigger. Okay, check. Right, so I think it was 48. Apply. Label text. Select. You can select the labels, the colors, and so on. Personally, I wouldn't touch any of it. But as a rule as well, on any operating system, Windows or Mac or Linux, I say keep off the desktop, because sometimes people ask me, can we add GNOME, can we add desktop elements, files, folders on GNOME, for example? And they've made it very difficult. You can't, but you can if you know an extension. So I replied, you can install an extension. But basically, my advice is keep your desktop clean desktop, right? Work in the folder desktop. This is your desktop. Work here. So why do you need to see it, right? You can have it in a folder called Eric Desktop. But okay, personal preferences, workflow, you do whatever you want. Now I wanted to tell you as well that we have this particular thing is not enabled, but it is there. So we have created and found for you guys beautiful wallpapers, but it's only you can use it as well if you have a single monitor, but it's gonna be awesome if you take a dual monitor. So if you have that one, these are beautiful, very big images, very big images, right? Dual screens, all of them. So it might be interesting for those who have dual screens to say, oh my god, I didn't know that, right? So enable slideshow is actually going to enable this particular folder to rotate every, well, you set the settings, you set the rotation here, the interval, and randomize a slideshow if you want to. So this is available because of course I'm using your dual screen, so I wanted to have something nice, right? So you have a big wallpaper spreading from 1 to 2, and then have a nice one big wallpaper over 2 screens. You can add some stuff here. Like I said, I don't. You can. Up to you, right? Other desktops do it too. I think Mate is, for instance, one of those. And those, I was wondering, what is this again? What is this again? Apply. Okay, so I thought that that was it. So this is what we are creating from OpenBox. This is rubbish. Don't use it. Don't use it. Don't do. This is a standard OpenBox thing, and the only thing that's going to work is log out probably, and that's it. So show menus, apply, don't get it. In the meantime, this is our next wallpaper coming from that particular folder. So the slideshow just kicked in, and there you go, and there you go, and there you go. Easy. I can just navigate randomly. Is going to go through all the wallpapers. All right, and there's very nice ones in there, because this you only see half of it, right? It's gonna be really stretched over everything. That's gonna be super, 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 super nice. Maybe you can see this like that. Maybe. No, I'm afraid not. All right, so that's our desktop preferences. Bear in mind, if you are setting the wallpapers, it always takes a while. It's not that it's broken, it's going, I don't know what it's doing, but it just is taking a while. But it will set the wallpaper eventually. Let's give you an example. Wallpaper selector. The Hulk. 1, 2, 3. Voila. All right. Now you know more or less how long it will take. So yeah, I need to stop this desktop preference there, otherwise it will always override my own settings again. That's something I don't want to do. So now it's again this guy that's working, and I want to have my Hulk back. Well, the wallpaper selector is not always the same. You see, Hulk is not here, so he randomizes my 3450 icons, wallpapers in there, and that's also a very neat one. 1, 2, 3. All right, and wait. There we are. You know the movie. Well, put it on my to-do list. I'm gonna see it again. All right, guys, I'm out. Have fun changing all your desktop preferences.